Make your way into a comfortable seated position. You can use any props that are available to you so you can feel more at ease as you take a seat. This breathing exercise is called alternate nostril breathing. It helps to recalibrate the right and left hemispheres of your brain to invite more ease and more balance into your body and into your mind. Follow along. Keep your left palm on your left thigh. Bring your right hand in front of you. Fold your index and middle fingers in to the middle of your palm. Keep your right thumb out. Keep your ring finger and pinky finger out. Then lightly bring your right thumb to your right nostril. Cover your right nostril completely. Lift your chin away from your chest. Sit up tall. Inhale through the left nostril for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Close the left nostril with ring finger and pinky finger. Exhale out of the right nostril for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale through the right nostril for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Close the right. Exhale out of the left for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is one cycle. Inhale again through the left nostril for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Close the left. Exhale out of the right for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale through the right for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale out of the left for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale through the left. Exhale through the right. Inhale through the right. Exhale through the left. Do 2 more cycles on your own, just like that. Counting up for the count of 5. Counting out for the count of 5. Once you exhale out of your left nostril, release your right hand to your right thigh. Notice your breath. Perhaps one nostril felt a little more open than the other. And that's totally okay. Becoming aware of the imbalances can help us find more balance, restore the balance in our body and in our mind. Bring your hands together to the center of your chest. Take a deep, long, full inhale through your nose. Fill up, fill up, fill up, fill up. Out of your nose. Kind exhale, let it go. May you find this peace within you always. May you find this peace with everyone you meet. And may this peace follow you through the rest of your day and the rest of your life. Namaste.